Good morning, everyone. It's April 4th of 2025, and let's review the four ETFs that we have built our foundation upon. Um, this is something it's difficult for me to do a video like this, but at the same time, it's also important that a lot of the new members understand what magnitude is. When we first started 2025, we talked about the magnitude and the possibilities that could play out on the year. And when you look at SPXL, we talked about how we had the beautiful 312 up, and then we had no one left to be short against here to the left. And because of that, we had the setup to go 122 back down. And I kind of labeled 2025 as the year of the hangover because there was a possibility that we could come right back through and give it all back. And as you can see right now, we are gapping down yet again. And this isn't something where I feel good about the price action, but this is the market, people. The market is not there to just give you money. It's also there to take it from you. And that's why in 2024, when we were trending higher and higher, we banked as much as we could because we knew that there was a good chance that we'd either do one of two things. We'd either continue higher or we could come ripping right back through. If you're new to trading and you started in 2025 because 2024 was nothing but a nice move up, and your friend told you that you should get into trading in 2025, trading 0 day options, or trading the way that people sell it, I'm sorry. This was a really bad year to do that. Not unless you know how to short. Now, for the people who know how to short and sit in a position, they're doing extremely well. Or if they know how to short on an intraday chart, they're taking money at will. And we have several excellent traders within the Discord server who are doing that. They're at so much peace in all this because they've designed a market to be their sandbox. And I'm not saying that they're always right. Don't hear that. But they're quick to admit when they're wrong, and they're really good about taking back what the market had taken back in the previous years of trading. That is why it's so important for you to design a market that makes sense to you. All right, let's get back to this and let's talk about the four ETFs. SPXL, you can see that I have a ridiculous 3 year day chart on all these. And I'm showing you the levels that we can possibly get down to. And I know a lot of you are saying, oh, we'll absolutely never get down to that level. Well, maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just marking the technical analysis on the chart. Okay, the technical pivot points on this. And I find it interesting that when people are killing it to the upside, technical analysis is a big part of their trading. But whenever they're wrong and the market goes against them, then technical analysis is thrown out the window. And that is strictly on you as a trader. You have to decide, what do you believe? What do you believe in all this? I believe things are cyclical. I believe things are very cyclical, and if you're patient, you will eventually find your way out of all this. And just like I believe that sooner or later, the market's going to become so affordable that it's going to go ripping right back up. Now, when will that happen? I have no idea. I just know right now the objective is to kill as many people here to the left of the chart until we knock out the very the last one down here for the last 3 years. I don't know if that'll happen. I do know that all these people right here, they're gone. We wiped those out. All these people right here, gone. We wiped them out. So now can we come back through here and get this next group of people who went long? We'll find out. TNA, same price action, right? Here is the bottom of the broadening formation through here. And you can see that we took out 2212. And I have an alert right here to let me know if and when this thing crosses this trend line. Okay? TQQ, here we go. We got this gap down here. Same with SPXL. Do you notice that? We have this gap down here. We haven't filled it yet. We never filled it all the way during this uptrend. Throughout this uptrend, we never went back and we never filled this gap. We might fill this gap here at 84.13 in SPXL. And then in the Qs, we might come back through here and fill the 34.63. These areas are so key. These are the key pivot points. And you can see where we're gapping down to right now. 37.76 right now, guys. And this is at 7 o'clock. I don't know how low this got during the night. I do know that I did get the money in the rest of my shorts. And I have one more put, and hopefully I will get the money in that. UDEL, same action, right? We came up here and we took out this level of support right there. And you can see we cut through it like a hot knife through butter right here. And now we're gunning for this gap, 57.23. We're now at 61.33. I know this is painful. And if you're new to trading, just remember this. Nothing lasts forever as far as a trend. And if all you do is trade trends, you could have seen that right through here. The moment we broke the trend, we tried to get it back up above it, and then we broke it again. We're just starting to come back down, guys. We're just starting. And I don't know how far we're going to go down here. No one knows that. But just keep it simple. Design a market that works for you and be disciplined. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you later and see you in the Discord.